And welcome back to the channel. Today's video we'll look at the VANON lithium iron phosphate Bosch 18V battery replacement. So these ones should be having a lot of power since it's 6 amp, and you can see it. I got 2 of those and they should fit right into the Bosch 18V. And guess what, I did test it out already, so this one has already some marks of usage, which is great to understand if they're actually powerful. And I don't want to bore you too much about it, but I was looking for batteries anyways, so they reached out, sent them over, and I thought, cool, I can test it because I have some work. I have multiple tools from Bosch. One is this little 3/8 impact gun I have, and this one works pretty good. I also have a few other tools and I actually use it also already. I'll get to that. I'll use it with this one for hammering. In this case, a little jackhammer, but also for drilling in railroad ties. That work pretty well. And of course, the normal drill and some lights. So testing out a lot, and usually I try to go with those core 18V 4 amp, but I realized with this jackhammer, I'm getting also to its limits. And when I say railroad ties, here you can see the rebar in here. So that's the hole I had to drill into one of those railroad ties, like this. So I'm able to pound in this 5/8 rebar. And in this case, I actually did have to clean this a little bit out. Same here on this side to make it smooth. Let's enjoy that, and you can pull it out. Cool thing about it is as well, it has some LED indicators how full it is. So far I only have seen 4 or 0. So I did charge them. Let's see if we can drill, or in this case, use the impact and put something together, which should be fairly straightforward. And in this case, I want to put a form together for some concrete pouring. We'll just use some 2x6, in this case, just to put them together in the corner. So you can see no issues whatsoever. So this worked pretty well. I actually did use it already a couple times. I actually used it a bunch of times, not only a couple of times. Because when it comes to comparison between the 6 amp, what they provide with this friend, and what I have with the core 4 amp, which are pricey. And by the way, here's the pricing as well for those VANON branded batteries. So yeah, you might be able to get a little bit more power. And I would say yes, you do. I worked with the 4 amp, and I actually felt it that there is some kind of difference in power. I don't know if it has 6 amp or it's more like 5, something in between. I do not know that. I don't have anything to measure it, but it's per my feeling, it's better and it has more power, and that's what I was looking for. So I have 2 more batteries. This is amazing. This is exactly what I needed, and I was looking into no-name brand anyways. So here we go. So link in the description below. I'll keep doing my stuff here, and don't want to bore you too much about this stuff further. If you like what you see, please feel free to like that video. Thanks for watching. Cheers!